जो नेशनल HRD नेटवर्क के जो नेशनल बॉडी है, बोर्ड मेंबर्स हैं, उनकी तरफ से हमको जो सपोर्ट मिला है. सो पूना चैप्टर हैज बीन एट द fronting even here Purple Fest also, though it is a national event, but Pune is there always. तो ये we've been organizing. So right now you got an idea. और भी बहुत कुछ है, मगर समय की वो है, कमी है, इसलिए if anybody is interested to know more about it in detail, we are here to share with you.
We will have the Q&A sessions later on towards the end. So Aman Bhai was the president of the Pune chapter NHRD. So thank you, Aman Bhai. Now I think we invite Mr. Rajesh Mehta, who also is the core designer of this Purple Fest festival that is happening and the diversity part. So Rajesh ji, over to you, sir.
Thank you.
To share about the corporate pagoda and also you can speak about the Purple Fest.
Sure. शुरुआत की अंग्रेजी में, आते आते हिंदी में आए. You want me to travel through other languages?
So by the way, let me tell you why he's asking. He speaks 8 languages.
Oh.
Yeah.
So no, nothing to be blown the trumpet.
No.
But अगर interest है तो we can do that also. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is, I will be talking, or I will be taking you in next 2 to 2.5 minutes the whole corporate pagoda activity at Purple Fest. And I want to see today all my reporter community who are sitting here, whether their pen and a fingertips works faster or my thought process works faster. Shall we start?
They are operating through processor now, Rajesh.
Doesn't matter, let's see. Huh? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, and then I will ask you only 2 questions. Huh? Ready?
Yes.
क्या यार, I mean हाँ या ना भी नहीं बोल रहे हो यार. Okay, thank you. So Purple Fest starts on 8th January. Where? Kala Academy. Correct?
Yes.
Now, NHRD Corporate Pagoda starts on 9th January. With what? So our first activity after the inauguration, with the hands of Chief Minister and few other dignitaries, the next activity is walkathon. The next activity after walkathon is the AI capabilities, the artificial intelligence capability demonstration done by the Microsoft. The next day, that is 10th January, from NHRD Corporate Pagoda, we will be hosting an event called Avant-Garde. Avant-Garde is the French word, basically which stands for the futuristic innovation. The 11th January, we will be hosting 2 workshops, and those are called Speed Mentoring and followed by Accelerate Your Dream. So this 11th and 12th, we are hosting this workshop both the days. 13th January, there is a Lego therapy based workshop, especially for the people who are having a communication challenge, and maybe this would be targeting the neurodivergent audience. Now, let me quickly give you the insights to each of this activity and why this is so very important. Walkathon. What is walkathon means? See, today, even if you open up the entire statistical side or a data point, you will realize 85% Indians have not even had their first conversation with persons with disabilities. Do you all agree with that?
Yes.
Now, look at this press conference only. ना, I'm blind. और आप लोग अभी भी ऐसे ऐसे जवाब दे रहे हो. Am I right? अब ये जब आप कर रहे हो तो मैं अपने आप को डिसेबल मानूं कि आपको मुझे नहीं पता है, राइट? बट ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारा मेंटल ब्लॉक है. और ये मेंटल ब्लॉक क्यों है? क्योंकि हमने डायलॉग ही नहीं किए हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, the biggest university of the world is the dialogue, which actually teaches us, which actually, makes many of our mental block open up. So walkathon is the answers for that. This activity will start at 7:30 on 9th January with the hands of Chief Minister Shri Pramod Sawant as well as with Subhash Valdesai, right? Social Justice and Empowerment to Government of Goa, right? इसमें हम लोग कम से कम 1200 लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. Huge. Can your support get us that many people? मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं, राइट? अब 1200 लोग करेंगे क्या? इसमें कम से कम 500 से 600 पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज रहेंगे, 500 से 600 एबल्ड बॉडीज रहेंगे. दे वुड बी पेड. They would be paid, and from Kala Academy main stage, main pavilion, जो पर्पल फेस्ट का मेन वेन्यू है, वहां से शुरुआत होगा. 40 मिनट्स वॉक, कैजुअल वॉक है. पूरे गाइडेड फैसिलिटेटेड क्यूज रहेंगे प्लेकार्ड्स पर दोनों तरफ. पूरा डिस्कशन हम लोग ने वहां पर लगाया है कि आपको क्या सवाल पूछना है, कैसे पूछना है. एबल बॉडी को पीडब्ल्यूडी, पीडब्ल्यूडी को एबल बॉडी के साथ. हमने ऐसे वॉकेथॉन ऑलरेडी पूना, बैंगलोर में कर दिए हैं लास्ट 2 मंथ्स में. और हमारा निष्कर्ष ये निकला है कि आफ्टर वॉकेथॉन पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग अ फ्रेंडशिप. People have started conversing more, and it's not just able body talking with PWD, but even PWD started dating with able bodies. I don't know, according to you, whether it's a good or not. I will leave it to you. The next day, next activity, क्या था? अरे वाह, thank you. Microsoft AI abilities. आप लोग शायद जानते हो कि नहीं, बट बेसिकली आज के तारीख में अगर कोई भी आईटी चाहता है या कंप्यूटर यूज करता है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के प्रोडक्ट के अलावा वो कुछ नहीं यूज कर सकता है. एम आई राइट? ना, उसके इतने सारे एआई बेस्ड फीचर्स हैं जो लोगों को मालूम ही नहीं है, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, माई सेल्फ, आई वर्क विथ IBM in my personal capacity or professionally, and I've been working with IBM for past 20 years. But working with IBM, though I might be developing many of the Microsoft products, as an IBMer, but ultimately market के सामने तो Microsoft है. So basically we have also invited Microsoft to show their AI capabilities, whereby technology actually is changing our all life, and that's what Microsoft will do. Thought Leadership Forum, एवेंटे गार्डे, कौन से तारीख पर था ये? थैंक यू. तो 10 जनवरी को ये जो होने वाला है, इसमें हमारे पास करीबन 200 से ज्यादा कॉर्पोरेट्स डेलीगेट्स आने वाले हैं. जस्ट टू नेम फ्यू ऑफ देम. Amazon is our kind of sponsor or a partner. Tata Motors, SAP, right? ऐसे कहीं